What's going on, guys? Balkan Architect here, and in today's video I'm going to be showing you how to create this fence, or a garden wall, I guess you can say. So it's a combination of brick and cast iron, so it's just going to be kind of an interesting complex family that we're going to be creating. Actually, it's a set of families that come together as part of the railing system family, so it's going to be fully parametric, so you can set it up, make sure the size is correct, and then you can use it and reuse it on future projects. So that's the whole idea behind this tutorial. Now, before we get started with Revit, I would just like to ask you to check out my website, balkanarchitect.com. I'm going to be linking it up just below this video in the description, and then also up in the cards above. There you can find all of my Revit courses. I have over 136 hours of content, and I'm adding more each month. There are many courses on many topics. For example, one of the courses is, well, exactly on stairs and railing, and we can go in depth into these two very complex system families, and we can explain how everything works. So if you're interested in that, you can check it out. And also there you can find some of my customized Revit templates. You can find some really high quality Revit families, as well as a plugin. So check it out if you're interested. Okay, so without any further ado, let's jump straight into Revit. And first, I just want to show you my personal approach. So what I like to do first is I like to create a little sketch. So here I have kind of sketched it out, just the fence. And then just to get kind of more accurate dimensions, I like to sketch it out in Revit, actually. So what I like to do is go here to the view menu, and then you want to go here to drafting view. So that opens up a drafting view, which is basically a view for, well, drafting. So it's just like AutoCAD, just a little more simple, and it's inside of Revit, so that's useful. So you just start like a drafting view like this, and then you can just use annotation lines to start kind of creating that garden wall. So that's basically how this works. Now, in this particular case, I've actually done this step already. So if I open up drafting views here, you can see I have this one. So this is basically what I've sketched up before I tested this out. So I start off with a sketch like this. The reason for that is because then I can go to the measure tool, and then I can just gonna get accurate measurements of all of the elements here. So this is what we're creating. We're going to have these posts. So it's just a brick column, I guess you can say, or post that's 40 by 40 centimeters. Then we have a small wall here, a 40 centimeter high wall on the bottom, again a brick wall, and then here we have the cast iron fence, and it's going to have like this arc shape thing. So that's the idea. Okay, so to get us started, first we need to create all of the families that go into this. So it's all going to come together as a just as a railing family, but we do need to get started with two separate families. So first we need to create a post family, so that's this thing over here, and then we have to create a panel family, so that's what goes in between posts, which is going to be all of this in the middle. So that's what we're doing. So just this is going to be the whole panel, and the posts are just this and the other one, but we only need one. Okay, so to get us started, just go here to File, then go to New, go to Family, and then here you want to find Metric Baluster Post. So this is basically the one that you want to go for.